Dilshi Academy for English beginners. Let's learn animals' names. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.